This is 2881 Ohio Street. This is just a duplex. Big units. The unit on this side is huge. It's got garage bay over there. It's also at the end. The owner's got two properties up front, a duplex, and then a duplex with a TV station in it, believe it or not, there. And then down here we've got a detached garage that has an apartment above, and then the duplex here. They're just going through finishing some renovation on this one, so it's not 100% done, but it's close. Has a nice yard. You can see they had a fire pit here. There is a play set in the yard there. This has got separate entries up onto this concrete porch. This door was just put in. And as you come in, they've changed out all the flooring up and down. It's a nice dining living area, and it's got a breakfast bar. The appliances are being changed out to stainless steel, and there is a dishwasher spot underneath where there is no dishwasher currently, but there will be one. Countertops all brand new. Has a nice kind of pantry and coat closet here as you come in. This was a double-sided closet, which they've locked off, so nobody has access to use it. And then it's got a big living room. So as you come in here, of course, plenty of room to have a dining table if somebody wants, in addition to the breakfast bar. But then big living room. Could take a couple of couches or sectional and a couch, no problem at all. And there's nothing behind the building either, which is kind of cool. You just have woods. They own over 10 acres. It's actually quite a bit over 10 acres, and then they added heat pumps, so it's got heat pumps here plus two more upstairs that provides heat and air conditioning for the unit. Upstairs it's got 2 bedrooms and a bath plus an office, or it could be a 3rd bedroom. It's big enough, no problem at all. The nice thing is it has a full bath as you come up here, and they added a 2nd bath off the master. So nice full bath here, brand new vanity, new floor. They put in a washer dryer hookup on this level, so side by side washer dryer. And then you've got a bedroom here or an office. And I say office, this is really big. Has got a heat pump. So this is the better bedroom. Has a good sized closet there. And then the 3rd room over here could be a bedroom because it does have a closet, but it doesn't have a heat pump in it. So this would be a little cooler in the real cold weather, you know, the few weeks that we have in the wintertime might be a little cooler. It's heated with the heat pumps in general, so this might be just 3 or 4 degrees cooler, so probably not bad as a 3rd bedroom, but I always like to be up front with people. And then this is a room that typically they're envisioning would be a master because it could fit a king-size bed with end tables on either side, has its own heat pump, and then has a pretty good sized closet. Has some shelving there, and then a couple of rods. And they'd be willing to put in an extra shelf here too if somebody wanted. They basically take advantage of that space over the stairs. And then they added this full bath. So, and they're just finishing, again, they've got a mirror to put up over the vanity. Has some linen space there, which is cool. And then kind of like an oversized shower. It's one of the bigger ones, has the built-ins. New vanity, toilet. And of course that mirror will go right up there. And this does have its own heat pump as well. So, kind of neat. It gives some good space.